everybody. Today I'm going to demonstrate a type of adjustment that uses a drop table. That means the pieces on the table drop. Melinda here is filming me. She might want to come in the room so she can see it a little better. But this is Doug, and Doug's agreed to allow me to film his adjustment. So I'm just going to demonstrate how I normally adjust his lower lumbar and pelvic area. Some people feel very insecure on the table if I turn them on their side to do a manual adjustment. And so this is a really good alternative. It achieves the same end for getting the joints adjusted. It doesn't hurt, you don't feel unstable on the table. So I've got little foot pedals down here. It just pops the table up a little bit. And when I do that, the table actually falls. So the movement that you're seeing and the sound that you're hearing is really coming from the table. I'm not breaking Doug in half, am I?
Not hardly.
Not hardly. So, and I've been adjusting him this way for quite some time. And it's effective. So that's a drop adjustment. Some people call it Thompson drop. I just say drop. And that's how that adjustment goes. Thanks for joining me.